Now this is PVC walling. We are doing the partitions for an office and a workstation. Right? This is framed up, all ready to receive the same PVC walling here. As you can see, the walling is affixed to the 2x4s, and it's not yet completed because we still have some spaces here that needs to be installed. Right, and here will look similar to this. We just can't get some material, some more material to finish with in the office space and the ceiling. So when we're finished, then I will show you the complete project, the finished project, and hopefully we look forward to doing business with you.